Thutha wa cikaro ici cia guthurima maminista amure gutirio muthenya wa ira ni undu wa thigũkũ ya mashujaa umuthi ni icokereirie na kuria maminista atano nio mathurimirwo na kuhinga maminista 20 aria mathurimitwo gukinyagia riu.
At a personal level, what is your financial net worth?
Of around 1.2 billion.
1.2 billion.
Yes.
Segregation.
Wakeri guthurimwo auma Eliud Owalo na uria wamuritwo ta minister wa ukinyaniria kana ICT na kungituika ni agutwika minister. Maundu maria me mbere yake ni maingi ihinda-ini riri bururi ukoretwo ugumirwo ni uhuthiri moru wa nenda cia ukinyaniria, undu uria andu aingi kaingi moyaga mweke ucio gutunya andu mbeca na guthoga mitambo ya andu kiumbe.
Kenya has been, I think, ranked one of the worst cyber bullies. And if you, for your information, Canada is a list in cyberbullying. The only bully I think in Canada was a Kenyan who has since left. Now I wanted to know, what will you do to ensure that this situation is sorted out and is controlled? And of course, finally, I would like to know whether Kenya Kwanza still maintains that they will provide free internet everywhere.
Kuhuthira mitambo ya kompyuta na kuria augite a Kenya ni mabatie mahuthire mitambo ya ukinyaniria na njira njega na iria kumateithia. Mutaratara wa ajira na uria waruguritwo ni minister wa ukinyaniria Joe Mucheru kwahoteka Owalo ni akutwarithia na mbere undu umwe na utambia wa internet na iria yari thiini wa manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza, kuona kuringana nake mutaratara uyu ni uguteithiriria hanene na kuhe mawira kuri mbeu njithi.
Have this ajira digital program rolled to all parts of the country, and with the intended rollout of 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable, we should be able to facilitate access to the Ajira digital program in all parts of the country. With respect to internet connectivity, yes, we will enhance this. How do we do this, Mr. Chairman? One, the starting point again is the ICT infrastructure. Ensure that through the digital superhighway, we have got reliable and stable and extensive ICT infrastructure.
Rehe githagathago kuri aciari na uria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto augire ndakunina mutaratara uyu no ni agutwarithia na mbere na haria makiria mairathi 700 aricio gicunje kia 85 hari 100 na iria ciakitwo.
It is the concern of each and every parent in this country about the new system of CPC, and people are anxious. And of course, because of that anxiety and the concerns voiced by the many Kenyans about this system, it was within the wisdom of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. Ciiraniro Ruto, to appoint a prudential working party with very clear terms of reference, so that they can be able to get views and comments from each and every Kenyan.
Unyihu wa arutani thiini wa macukuru no thina ungi uria ukoretwo ukigumira arutwo, kuona aingi ao mathomithagio ni mwarimu umwe mari aingi undu uria urituhagira arimu.
How soon should you expect a supplementary budget from you to enable you employ all these unemployed but trained teachers and to empower TSC to undertake its mandate effectively?
Guthamio kwa arutani kuma kaunti ciao nginyagia kaunti iria cikuraihu no thina ungi uria ukoretwo ukigumira arutani na njira nene guku magitigithukanio na family ciao.
Issue of delocalization, that policy has really dismantled families. It has caused chaos Even the teachers which were delocalized to some other places, they don't even teach, Honorable Machogu, they don't teach. They are in problems, psychological problems. And therefore we have affected education. Kenyans have suggested that that policy should be scrapped.
Thina ũngĩ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ho nĩ kana gĩthomo kĩna bata kũrĩ njiarwa, kuona atongoria aingĩ matirĩ na gĩthomo kĩa igũrũ no mena iturwa nene, ũndũ ũrĩa gũthũkia arutwo na mage bata wa gũthoma, kuona kwĩna andũ magacĩrithĩte na matirĩ na gĩthomo. Handũ-inĩ ha ceceni ya Wega TV, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.
I'm equal to the task. I will be able to take the education.